Hello everyone. In this video, we'll introduce you to the XAP open source package and show you how to get started using it. First, let's extract it. Go into the examples folder and locate the Hello World example. You'll see a README file which contains detailed info about the example, and the POM.xml file which indicates this example was created using Maven. Next, let's start an IDE to import the project. We're using IntelliJ, but of course, you can use whatever IDE you prefer. Let's import the project. And it's ready. Let's open the POM file. As you can see, there's only one dependency required to use XAP, as well as a link to the repository which contains it. Now, let's look at the object which this example stores in the space. It's called message, and it has a single string field with standard getter and setter. Also note, it has a space ID annotation to let the space know this property is the unique identifier for objects of this class. Now, let's get some objects into the space. We need a GigaSpace object to interact with the space. To get that, we use the command line arguments, and we either create an embedded space within our process or connect to a remote space hosted in a different process. Next, we simply create a couple of messages and use the write method to write them into the space. Then iterate over all the messages in the space and print them. Let's run this with an embedded space called demo. As you can see, the output shows all the objects we've written in the code. Let's try this with a remote space. To start a remote space, go to the bin folder of XAP and locate the space instance script. You can run it from the command line without arguments to get usage instructions and some examples. Let's start a space called Demo2 with 2 partitions. Let's go back to the IDE and modify it to locate the remote space Demo2 and run it. And you can see it found Demo2 and printed the correct results. That's the end of our video. If you want to learn more, you're welcome to get the code at github.com/XAP or read the docs at docs.gigaspaces.com or visit our website at xap.github.io. Thank you.